Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change windshield wipers on a Lexus ES350. First, gather your new wiper blades. The driver's side is usually 26 inches and the passenger's side is 18 inches. Next, turn off your vehicle completely. Then put your wipers into service mode. To do this, turn the ignition on and immediately off, then quickly push the wiper stalk up. This will position the wiper arms upright, making them easy to access for replacement. Now that your wiper arms are in service position, it's time to remove the old blades. Gently lift one wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Look for the small release tab or button on the wiper blade's connector. Press this tab firmly and slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be very careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the glass, as it could cause damage. You can place a towel on the windshield for protection. With the old blade removed, let's install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked. Give the blade a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once you've installed the first blade, repeat these steps for the second wiper on the passenger side. This ensures both blades are correctly fitted and ready for action. After installing both new blades, gently lower each wiper arm back onto the windshield. Now, get into your vehicle, turn on the ignition, and activate your new wipers. Observe their movement carefully, ensuring they operate smoothly and provide clear, streak-free visibility across the entire windshield. For best performance and safety, it's recommended to replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions and climate. Enjoy your improved visibility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.